Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a Google account, an approved AdSense application for your domain, and a WordPress site on HTTPS. Once done, install the Google Sitekit plugin from Plugins right arrow Add New, activate it, and sign in with the same Google account. Make sure AdSense shows in Sitekit as an available service so you can connect. This avoids manual code errors. You do this now so the site and account link cleanly before placing any ad units or code snippets. Once Sitekit connects AdSense, enable auto ads for instant coverage while you refine placements. If you want manual control, create responsive ad units in AdSense, choose size fallbacks like 300x250 and 336x280, then copy the unit code. For placement, use Sitekit's direct placement or install a trusted ad inserter plugin. Alternatively, add the snippet into a child theme's header. PHP or widget, never edit the parent theme. This gives correct loading order and prevents theme updates from erasing your ad code. You finish by confirming ads display across desktop and mobile. Wait 15 to 60 minutes, clear any caching plugins, and test in an incognito window with ad blockers off. Then use AdSense reports to adjust auto ads density or move manual units for higher viewability. If things go wrong, a common fix is to re-verify your site ownership in Search Console, confirm the exact AdSense code is present, and check robots, TXT, or privacy settings that might block crawlers. This single check resolves most no ads issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.